I'm going to be showing you guys how to do/get your split. Having a split is an essential part of tumbling because it can help you perfect your technique in skills such as back walkovers, front walkovers, and handspring step out. So let's get started. So before doing your split, you should always stretch to ensure that you don't pull any muscles. Some great stretches are lunges, pushing your front knee forward, and sitting back on your back leg and trying to touch your nose to your knee. Even if you're only doing a right or a left split, it's still important to stretch both legs. You can also touch your toes, flattening out your back, or flex them, pulling them towards you. Another great warm-up is these attitude kicks because they will help loosen up your muscles even more. And now on to the actual split. This is what a right split should look like, and this is what a left split should look like. The most important thing to remember is to have your hips even and be on top of yourself. Now there's a lot of tips that can help you be flexible enough to get your split. One of them is doing kicks on the leg that you're going to be doing the split on. Another one is straightening your back knee in the split because you're never going to achieve your split if you always have that back knee bent. Also work on your lunges with your back knee straight because as you can see, my legs are in the split position already. Next up, over splits. You might be wondering how this is going to help me if I don't already have a split, and it can. Even though you don't have a split on the ground, by pushing yourself a step further by trying to do an over split, your split will become easier on its own. The next stretch is the partner stretch. In order to do this, you want your hands flat up against the wall with your feet as much against the wall as you can. Your partner is simply going to try to push your leg up against the wall. This is what a right partner stretch would look like, and this is what a left partner stretch would look like. Your bottom foot should always remain facing the front. An important thing to remember is that no one should be ever forcing you down into a split or shoving your shoulders down or anything. This is very dangerous and safety comes first. Another big don't is sitting out of your split. Although it may look like it, this is not a split. Your front knee should be facing up towards the sky and your back knee should be facing directly down towards the surface that you're on. You can fix this by putting your opposite hand on your front leg and your good hand on your back leg, and this will align your shoulders. My final tips are to point your toes because flex feet are not cute, and to practice every day because you'll get there eventually. Hey guys, I really hope this video helped you get your split. Don't forget to like and subscribe.